Hello, if you wonder how you can wear your Redmi Watch 5 Lite properly, so basically you will have to ensure that the watch sits snugly above the wrist bone. So here we can find your wrist bone, and you will have to put this strap a little bit above this bone, which is located in my case right here. And you have to actually do this for accurate sensor readings. So right here on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, you've got all of these sensors, right? And you will have to also adjust the band for a secure yet comfortable fit. And basically you will have to remember to clean your back sensors regularly to maintain performance. And also you will have to avoid wearing it too tight to prevent skin irritation, especially during the workouts. So that's how it actually looks in my case. This is the Apple Watch, but you know, wearing the smartwatches is actually like the same. So you cannot get it too tight or too loose to don't swing around your wrist. And I can recommend you to make this simple test. Once you actually grab it with your two finger, you can actually easily raise this above your screen with this gentle move. It means that you get the proper, the proper fit on your wrist. If I'm gonna put it too tight, like for example like this, there we go, I'm unable to actually move it. Take a look, it's still sticking into my skin, and this is too tight. I feel irritation right now after just a few seconds. So that's actually like some base tips how you can wear properly your Redmi Watch 5 Lite on the wrist.